Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take an antonyms quiz. If you haven't watched our previous parts, make sure you do. I link them down in the description box below. Let's begin. Question 1. What is the antonym of the word neat? The correct option is C. Messy. Question 2. What is the antonym of the word thick? The correct option is B. Thin. Question 3. What is the antonym of the word smooth? Correct option is A. Rough. Question 4. What is the antonym of the word beautiful? The correct option is C. Ugly. Question 5. What is the antonym of the word wide? The correct option is C. Narrow. Question 6. What is the antonym of the word plain? The correct option is D. Fancy. Question 7. What is the antonym of the word curly? The correct option is A. Straight. Question 8. What is the antonym of the word bright? The correct option is C. Dull. Question 9. What is the antonym of the word tall? The correct option is B. Short. Question 10. What is the antonym of the word soft? The correct option is D. Hard. Question 11. What is the antonym of the word round? The correct option is A. Flat. Question 12. What is the antonym of the word dark? The correct option is C. Bright. Question 13. What is the antonym of the word clean? The correct option is B. Dirty. Question 14. What is the antonym of the word fresh? The correct option is B. Stale. Question 15. What is the antonym of the word tiny? The correct option is C. Huge. Question 16. What is the antonym of the word attractive? The correct option is D. Unattractive. Question 17. What is the antonym of the word clear? The correct option is A. Cloudy. Question 18. What is the antonym of the word soft colored? The correct option is C. Bright colored. Question 19. What is the antonym of the word short? The correct option is D. Long. Question 20. What is the antonym of the word thick-skinned? The correct option is B. Sensitive. Question 21. What is the antonym of the word tidy? The correct option is C. Untidy. Question 22. What is the antonym of the word soft spoken? The correct option is A. Loud. Question 23. What is the antonym of the word simple? The correct option is C. Complicated. Question 24. What is the antonym of the word honest? The correct option is C. Unfair. Question 25. What is the antonym of the word fancy? The correct option is D. Plain. That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new, and I'll see you next time. Bye.